When it comes to brakes, one of the most common customer concerns would be abnormal noises when the pedal is applied. Our job is to figure out exactly what is causing the noise and how to repair it. This can be a frustrating experience for some techs, especially those who are just starting out. Let's look at some of the most common causes for brake noise and how to remedy them. We know that when the brake pedal is pressed, hydraulic force is applied against the brake pads, squeezing them against the rotors. This generates the friction needed to slow the vehicle down. Sometimes a little bit of noise can be expected and even considered to be normal, such as first thing in the morning. Light dragging noise may be heard. This happens as the pads clear away the light surface oxidation, which is formed on the rotors overnight. Abnormal noises usually come in one of two forms: squealing or grinding. If the squealing noise is heard during braking, this could indicate a few potential issues. First, one or more of the pads could be worn down, causing the squealer to make contact with the rotor surface. The squealer does exactly what its name implies. It produces a high-pitched squeal to alert the driver of the issue. Squealing can also be caused by a brake pad which is sticking in the caliper bracket. When this happens, the pad isn't able to back away from the rotor after the pedal is released, causing it to lightly drag along the rotor surface and produce a high-pitched noise. A faulty or missing brake pad shim can also cause a high-pitched squeal to occur. This is one of the many reasons why it is so important to install high-quality braking components. If the brakes are grinding, it's usually an indicator of a bigger issue. The most common cause of brake grinding is metal-on-metal contact, usually between the brake pad backing plate and the rotor surface. A quick visual inspection should tell you where the issue lies. And be mindful of the braking components and their surroundings while you work. Foreign debris can cause a grinding noise, such as a small rock or a pebble becoming wedged between the backing plate and the rotor. Now, how do you repair these issues? That's simple. Ensure that everything moves freely, the brake pads can move in and out along the caliper brackets, the guide pins move in and out as intended, and all of the mounting surfaces are clear of debris, corrosion, and other contaminants. Don't forget to clean the rotor surface, even on new rotors. This will remove any oils from your hands or from manufacturing and ensure a long, effective service life. Whenever replacing or servicing brakes, be sure to apply a light coating of high-tech synthetic lube on all metal-to-metal contact points. This includes the back side of the backing plates, as well as the shims where they make contact with the caliper or caliper bracket. Look for a lube packet in the box with many of the brake pads offered by Raybestos. Lubricating these points can be a crucial step to ensuring smoother and quieter brake application. Finally, be sure to follow the manufacturer instructions for pad bedding or break-in. Not only will this reduce the risk of them making noise down the road, but it will also help to maximize their service life as well. I'm Brian Sexton. Thanks for watching.